other opposition parties within the India bloc come out and respond on this particular issue. Pallavi, do stay on with us because we have some more breaking news that's coming in. This is the war over the constitution, Prime Minister and Congress. Remember, Prime Minister, Parliament, he bowed to the copy of the constitution that was kept in the Parliament Hall where the NDA meeting was happening. He posted on social media as well that his life is dedicated to upholding the constitution in letter and spirit. That's something that the Congress is now latched onto. Jairam Ramesh of the Congress party now slamming the Prime Minister, going on to accuse him of double standards and hypocrisy.
एक तिहाई प्रधानमंत्री के दोगलेपन की कोई सीमा नहीं है। देखिए आज वो क्या कर रहे हैं। मूर्छित एनडीए में जान फूंकने की भरसक कोशिश कर रहे हैं और संविधान को अपना माथा टेक रहे हैं। यही वो संविधान है जिस पर उन्होंने आक्रमण किया है पिछले 10 सालों में। संवैधानिक सिद्धांतों का उल्लंघन हुआ है, संवैधानिक संस्थाएं कमजोर किए गए हैं और प्रचार किया गया 400 पार का ताकि संविधान बदले, बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर का संविधान बदले और आज उसी संविधान को अपनाने का ड्रामा रचा रहे हैं। इनकी दोगलेपन की कोई सीमा नहीं है। एक तिहाई प्रधानमंत्री हैं। इनकी भारी प्रचंड व्यक्तिगत, राजनीतिक और नैतिक हार हुई है।
Pallavi, it's the war over constitution once again between the BJP and the Congress. The Prime Minister bowing to the constitution today in Parliament has given ammunition to the opposition, specifically the Grand Old Party.
Absolutely, and we were just talking about this a short while back, Poonam, that as far as they are concerned, the Prime Minister just doesn't have the mandate. Now, we'll have to wait to see how far does it go. I mean, inside the Parliament, will they even acknowledge the President or the Prime Minister? Will they actually dismiss of every comment or even, the decisions which are taken by the party and by the government, but more importantly taking place on Sunday. What is really a stand on the India front? Because what happens is that a leader of every political party is also extended an invite for the oath. Now, this will be an interesting watch out for the oath ceremony Sunday, Poonam. Particularly the Congress leave that he has made. Will the Congress party take part? Will they send representatives around Sonia Gandhi? Mr. Kharge, but Sonia Gandhi was very excited and